Good news, the PPP program apparently is going to be extended for another 60 days. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedom Tax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Although for the last couple of months, we have been concentrating on providing information on the PPP and EIDL loan programs. Now, today is March 25th, and we always emphasize the date of the recording on any video relating to the PPP program because this PPP loan has been constantly changing. So there may be things we discuss in this video that can change as soon as tomorrow. So that's the importance of subscribing to our channel. That way you're always up to date with the most current and correct information regarding these loans. So what happened today? Let me show you. This is directly from Congress website. The PPP Extension Act of 2021 has just passed in the Senate in a vote of 92 to 7. So an almost unanimous vote. If you have been following the PPP loan program news, last week the House of Representatives voted on extending the PPP loan program in a 415 to 3 vote. Now that has gone to the Senate and it has passed in a 92 to 7 vote. So now it will quickly go to the president's desk, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be signed by the president and become law pretty soon, which is on time because the PPP loan program was supposed to end on March 31st. Now, what's the extension? The extension is that the PPP loan program has been extended for 60 days, meaning it has been extended to May 31st. Now, the good thing is that compared to other extensions in the past, for example, the last deadline in 2020 was August 8th. And now the new deadline for 2021 was supposed to be March 31st. And in these two past deadlines, you had to have an approved PPP loan by that date. So it did not mean that you submitted your application before that date. It meant that, for example, by March 31st, you had to have an approved PPP loan by that date, which when you start the PPP loan application process, the process can take 2 to 3 weeks. And that's why for the last couple of weeks, most banks basically closed their PPP application portals because they said, well, if we need a PPP loan approved by March 31st, we will not take any more applications maybe 2 to 3 weeks before. So that didn't make a lot of sense to us. So at least this time it's a little different because now it's May 31st the deadline to submit an application, because after May 31st, the SBA has an additional 30 days to process submitted PPP loan applications. So I think that's pretty good news. Now, so the good news, PPP has been extended. So all of you who have not applied for PPP 1 or PPP 2, you have more time now to apply. Now, the question all of us have is, what's going to happen for the self-employed, independent contractors, single member LLCs, basically every business that files a Schedule C and got a PPP loan, will they be able to reapply and get a larger amount based on the new PPP loan formula? As of this date, no. So as of today, March 26, 6:16 p.m. Orlando, Florida time, the SBA still has not provided a way where Schedule C filers who got a PPP-1 or a PPP-2 based on the old formula that was based on line 31, net profit, they're not able to reapply and get an increase on their PPP loan based on the new formula that's on line 7, the gross income. We were expecting that to be included in this bill in Congress, but that was not included. So once again, we feel that at some point in the future, the SBA will provide a way for Schedule C filers to reapply and get the difference. And maybe now that they have extended the program for another 60 days, they may now come out with some guidance and a way for these Schedule C filers to get the difference, but we will have to wait, okay? But for now, the news is the Senate just passed the PPP Extension Act, and the PPP now is just waiting for the president to sign it to make it official, which I'm pretty sure is going to be signed either today or tomorrow. So now, if you haven't filed PPP, now you have more time. Go ahead and apply, okay? Well, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it with other business owners that can take advantage of this information. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember that we are praying for you. We're praying for your family. We're praying for your business. And let's get through this coronavirus pandemic together. All right? Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.